Welcome to your coastal retreat. This spacious, meticulous haven overlooking Bay Oaks Park offers an inviting floor plan, oversized garage, and stunning views. With 2 front and 2 back porches complete west fans, it's only a half block to the beach. Come inside to tiled floors leading to 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The luxurious primary suite offers a private entrance to back patio, sprawling walk-in closet, and lavish bath featuring a double-headed shower and separate jacuzzi tub. On the top level, the main living area basks in southern light, showcasing a kitchen west granite counters, chic backsplash, chocolate cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a sleek farm sink west pot filler, and scenic views of Pretty Bay. A roomy pantry/laundry area adds functionality and storage. Recessed lighting illuminates the dining area and vast living room, perfect for unwinding or entertaining. A bedroom west/ensuite bath completes the top level. Come experience true Virginia coastal living at its finest. April 29, 2024.